Good day, Paper Army. This is going to be kind of a tour of my office. As you can see back there, I have a lot of stuff, and I've accumulated most of these things over 16 years. And the cool thing is, a lot of it doesn't go bad, like my acrylic paint collection. Okay, that's a 16-year collection. Those are the originals that I got 16 years ago. And you can see from this, I have built my own organizers. Now, if I ever change offices, I'm going to rebuild my organizers. There's General Grievous, and of course, Obi-Wan, and my laptop. As you can see, there is SR-71 Blackbird, the A-10 gun with wings made out of a cracker box. There is a T-16 Skyhopper and an AT-ST. All kinds of cool stuff. And as you can see, clamps. I've been buying clamps off and on, here and there, for years, which has given me all kinds of them. As you can see, my organizers down there have all kinds of clamps. Those were given to me, and I've accumulated everything else over time. So there's some of my awards. I have over 40 first place ribbons, and I have a unique award. That's that orange one up there, and one second place at the Kitsap County Fair, and that was for the A-10 when it was just a shell. So these are the cool things that I do. I would love to see you in my show, Monday through Friday, noon to 2 Pacific Standard Time. I'm working on the Black Pearl. I'm going to be doing an X-Wing tutorial this week. The whole week, I'm going to be building X-Wings for you. You can come and join and learn on your own, at your own speed, because I'll be working on them all week. Okay, you guys, that's about the end of the tour. Anyway, take care, Paper Army. I love you a lot. And I will see you on Monday at noon. There's only 5 of these hats left. Signed, dated, and numbered. They're $60, plus shipping and handling. And so other than that, they're $48 for just a number. Anyway, take care, Paper Army. Oh yeah, by the way, there was only 12 hats total. I couldn't afford any more. Anyway, we will see you guys Monday, noon to 2 Pacific Standard Time, again from 4 to 6 on my second show. Take care, everyone. I love you a lot.